Hello, my name is Madison Harris, and this is my profession app designs. I decided to go with a language learning app called Lingua. Here are my final designs for the mobile version and the desktop version. I wanted my app to be a language learning app like Duolingo, only have teachers and students, one on the desktop and one on mobile. Here are my sketches for the desktop version and the mobile version, wireframes for the mobile version, and wireframes and refinements for the desktop version. I decided to name it Lingua because it means language in a different language. Here's my logo. User tests. For the mobile version, most people wanted things bigger for fingers. And here are my prototypes. Here is the mobile version. You can click on Learn. This is for the student view. There's a calendar. And then you can click on the Zoom lesson. This is what the lessons will look like. And then grades. Students' grades. And then you can click on chat to chat other students or the teacher. Here is the desktop version. Here's the home for the teacher view. And then this is where they can teach. This is for Spanish 1. They're on week 4. This is the class progress. You can grade. Let me go to the gradebook and then chat. This is what the gradebook looks like with each student and their grades. And that is it.